Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to take a screenshot on Instagram without the other person knowing, specifically if you're using an iPhone. Let's jump right into it. First off, it's important to understand when Instagram actually notifies someone that you've taken a screenshot. Instagram only sends notifications if you screenshot disappearing photos or videos in direct messages. These are the ones that vanish after being viewed. However, if you're just taking a screenshot of regular posts, stories, or profiles, Instagram doesn't notify the other person. So, for most of your Instagram activity, you don't need to worry about this at all. But, if you're still concerned or you want to screenshot a disappearing photo or video without getting caught, here's what you can do. First, go ahead and view the Instagram story or post that you want to screenshot. Next, turn on airplane mode on your iPhone. This will disconnect your device from the internet, so Instagram won't register any activity after this point. Once airplane mode is on, take the screenshot as you normally would. After you've taken the screenshot, it's crucial to close the Instagram app completely before turning off airplane mode. This way, when you reconnect to the internet, Instagram won't register the screenshot and send a notification. It's a simple trick, but it works effectively. Another option, if you're really cautious, is to view Instagram on a web browser. Instagram doesn't track screenshots taken on a computer or through a browser, so you can capture whatever you need without worrying about notifications at all. And that's it. I hope this video helps you understand how to take screenshots on Instagram without anyone knowing. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. See you guys later.